Attach. Good, that was 3 counts. From here, I'm gonna lead the lady to my right, the one I was dancing with before. I'm gonna go rock, step, down, okay? But meanwhile, as my other leader is leading the other one to the side, that's gonna become my new partner. So I'm gonna dance with Kola here, okay? So we're gonna switch partners like this. Let's try this from the Takianis. We do 1 8 count Takianis, then the minute dip.
Followers on the left, leaders
5,
on the right.
6, 7, 8. Touch, step, boom. Minute dip. Rock, step, down, up.
That was confusing. That was confusing.
One more time. Takianis. Get it? You're gonna lead her. 5, 6, Takianis. Touch, step, boom. Minute dip. Rock, step, down. Woo! Yeah. Let's do swing out. Texas Tommy, Takianis, minute dip. Okay? Swing out. 5, 6, a 5, 6, swing out. 1, 2, 3, 4. A 5, 6, Texas Tommy. Boom. A boom. Takianis. One more time. Takianis. Minute dip. Same song, it was perfect.
Right.
We're gonna call out everything from the top, okay? I'm gonna say everything before it comes. So swing out, outside turn, swing out, sneaky bastard, Texas Tommy, you name it, I'm calling it. Here we go. Ready? Swing out. 5, 6, swing out. 1, 6, 5, 6, outside turn. 1, 6, 5, 6, swing out. 1, 6, 5, 6, sneaky bastard into the middle. 6, 5, 6, swivel. 6, a 5, 6, swivel. 6, a 5, 6, minute dip. 6, swing out. 6, Guys, we're teaching this on an instruction video online. It's for free. We want everybody to do it all around the world. It's the next team tap.
You can find this in the members area of our website, im Mitgliederbereich. Wenn ihr da reingeht, könnt ihr euch die ganzen Videos, es ist nicht nur das Video, sondern es sind noch einige mehrere drin, kostenlos ansehen. Wir erklären alles komplett.